Welcome to Mechanic. Today here in Mechanic we have a Chrysler key fob that looks similar to this. This goes for a Chrysler 300, but if you have this key fob on your vehicles of your Chrysler or Dodge type of vehicle, I'm going to show you how to be able to replace the battery in this. So say your little button battery has gone dead, this is how you replace it. So simple as we need to pull out this manual key portion by pulling that little tab. You can use the key to just kind of, we've got this this is where the key goes, and this is where the tab opens. And then that way we're able to get the clamshell portion to be able to open up, or you could just use a screwdriver in there and be able to get this to open up. This is all the computer chips and pieces to be able to get your vehicle to run and start. Then we have the button battery in here. We just need to pop that out, and then we get a new CR 2032 is the battery that goes in here. Making note that it does have a plus sign right there, so that we shouldn't hopefully get it wrong, but plus side down and into there, and making the contacts on the side there. And then just be able to take our little cover here in the clamshell and then be able to squeeze it back together, and so it holds together and locks together. And so that would be how you would replace your battery, little button battery, in a key fob for a Chrysler that looks like this. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.